Hi, I'm Dilip. I'm an executive coach and a mental fitness coach. I welcome you again to the System Thinking Talks. In the last three episodes, we covered system thinking and how it develops empathy and collaboration for you. Today is the last episode of the series, and then where we will discuss on one of the more important key aspects on how system thinking can create a long-term ability to influence others. Before I explain your topic, I want to share you an example with you. All of us know and aware of Nelson Mandela. During his extraordinary life, right after he got released as a president, as the first democratically elected black president for South Africa, Nelson Mandela has a huge task in front of him. He had to find unique ways to bring together his deeply racially divided nation together. So Mandela was looking for an opportunity, and he saw such an opportunity when his nation hosted 1995 Rugby World Cup. This sport was actually a game for the whites. So what he did is, when President Nelson Mandela strode onto the field at the final of the 1995 Rugby World Cup, wearing the shirt of the predominantly white national team, the entire stadium appeared to catch its breath. It was not anticipated and expected. But through this one act, Nelson Mandela generated spontaneous positive emotions towards healing the painful past. Just like this story, when you practice system thinking as your core leadership tool, you will start creating an impact beyond the scope of the conversation that you are part of. Your ability to empathize and being collaborative will form a solid foundation for creating such an impactful conversations. These behaviors collectively create a long-term impact on your leadership success. So it requires a conscious effort to step back, and it is when you can relate to the complexity of the systems at work. And after practicing system thinking, soon you will notice that system thinking approach means that recognizing that the sum is greater than its individual parts. And when you see that and all the pieces of an organization connect, interact, and play a part of the greater outcomes. And a powerful leadership behavior creates new leverage points for change. And systems thinking can enable such transformative change faster and quicker. Lastly, when you are taking this journey, it is important that you are very mindful because being mindful is an essential foundation for adopting system thinking concepts with greater speed and agility. I hope you enjoyed the four episodes about system thinking, and I will be looking forward for your input to continue such future talks. Thank you.